Next topic is students prevention of disease through vaccination. Through vaccination, the body is made to develop a defense system which make it immune from disease. Means by the help of the vaccination, our body is immune to a disease by the help of the vaccination. And smallpox was once a dread disease in the 18th century, and people was very afraid of it because it was not curable at that time, and many people died of it, and those who survived had scars on their faces. So the this disease caught the attention of the Dr. Edward Jenner. So Dr. Edward Jenner was also trying to find a cure for this disease, smallpox. Okay, so this disease caught the attention of the Dr. Edward Jenner, and one day a milkmaid told him that she could not have smallpox as she already had cowpox, and he decided to test this. He inoculated an 8-year boy, James Phipps, with cowpox from the milkmaid. So the boy suffered from cowpox and soon recovered. So 15 days later, Dr. Jenner inoculated Phipps with pus from the sore of a smallpox patient, and he watched and observed that reaction of Phipps. The boy didn't suffer from smallpox. Means after that, Dr. Jenner find that this if a person had once suffered from the cowpox, then after the suffering from the cowpox, the person's body will make a defense system against the smallpox also. So means if a person is suffered by the cowpox, next time he will not suffered by the smallpox. So thus the anti-smallpox vaccine was discovered, and many other vaccines were later developed to prevent person from disease like diphtheria, polio, measles, tetanus, etc. Okay. So students, Louis Pasteur was a French chemist, and Louis Pasteur discovered vaccine for the rabies, a deadly disease. He proved that germs carry disease from one person to another person. Means Louis Pasteur proved this to the people that disease can spread by one person to the another person. And he was a French chemist, Louis Pasteur. So you can underline this topic also, that Louis Pasteur was a French chemist, and Louis Pasteur discovered vaccination from rabies, which is a very deadly disease. So he find a vaccination for the rabies, and he proved that germs carry diseases from one person to another person. Okay. Next important topic is student chloroform. Chloroform. James Simpson introduced the use of chloroform in the medicines, and it is used to make a person unconscious. Before an operation, the person is made unconscious so that he doesn't feel pain. So doctor use this chloroform to make a person unconscious before the operation, so that the person will not feel any pain during the operation. Okay. So next topic we will read about the Joseph Lister. Joseph Lister, with the discovery of chloroform, surgical pain was reduced, but half of the patient died due to the infection of wounds by germs. Because whenever a person is operated, when his body is operated by the doctors, so it is very the germs spread very rapidly, infection spread very rapidly in his wounds. So Joseph Lister found that carbolic acid can be used in operation theatre to kill germs. So carbolic acid doesn't injure our body tissue also. So he also started to practice for sterilization of surgical instruments. During sterilization, instruments are cleaned in boiling water to make them free from the germs. So Joseph Lister found that if the doctors will sterilized means they will sterilize means clean the instrument by the sterilization process, means by putting them inside the boiling water. So the instrument will be germs free, and after that these they can operate a person's body by these clean surgical instrument. So it will decrease the decrease the decrease this to spread the germs inside the body after the surgery. Okay, so James Joseph Lister is also a very well-known surgeon of at that time, and he had a very interesting surgery process he invented. So we can say that Joseph Lister's invention is also very important in the field of the medical science, and he also invented this that the he also invented this sterilization process, and to sterilize after sterilization of the instrument become germs free and people can be cured easily. Okay, so next topic is student basic health care. So we have developed many simple ways to control the spread of diseases. So some of these ways are: keep yourself and your surroundings clean, eat a balanced diet, do regular exercise, and drink clean water. So these are some basic healthcare habits, and by these healthcare habits you can reduce the diseases inside your body, and you can be healthy after the following these healthcare tips. Okay, so you remember these healthcare tips. First one is: keep yourself and your surroundings clean, eat a balanced diet, do regular exercise, and drink clean water.